All right, here's the plan. We are going to test. Oh, I can't see it. Oops. This thing doesn't go down to the bottom. I guess we'll show it here. XAgent, which is a new autonomous agent framework. People are saying it's better than AutoGen, better than AutoGPT. We will find out. And then after we test it, I want to try host kind of like a service where you can spin up XAgent or AutoGPT as a service and not have to install it on your local machine. That would be really cool. I think we can do that with Docker containers, but yeah, we'll find out later in the stream. I'll probably run into a bunch of issues as we always do with software engineering, but if it was easy, everyone would be doing it. Yo, Arnold, how's it going? It's going well. New day, new stream, new AI tool, XAgent. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. XAgent is an open source experimental LLM driven autonomous agent that can automatically solve various tasks. It's designed to be a general purpose agent that can be applied to a wide range of tasks. Very cool. And apparently, I don't know if they show it here, based on some benchmarks, it actually performs better than some of the other tools here. Is this it? Yeah, so they've compared it to AutoGPT here. And apparently, XAgent actually outperforms AutoGPT completely in data analysis, mostly in math, mostly in search report, Life Assistant, and coding and developing. So that's pretty cool. And there's these benchmarks, Fresh QA. I don't really know much about these benchmarks, but it seems to outperform AutoGPT in every aspect. So that's very cool. We're going to try it out. Let's see how it goes. How do we do it? Build and set up tool server. So they use Docker, which is very cool. You should install Docker and Docker Compose first. So this is really good that they have this Docker kind of config, because I think that's what we will ultimately use to host these kind of Docker container / VMs. Yes. Now I don't think I actually have Docker. Let's see. Oh, this is just a tool server for Docker. Oh, interesting. That might make things a bit harder. Okay, we don't have it on CMDR. Let's try PowerShell as admin. No, we don't have it there either. Okay, so we're gonna have to install Docker Compose. And I guess we will have to clone this anyway, so let's do that. So just ran the git clone command. And let's see how we can install Docker Compose. On Windows with Docker Desktop. Is that how we get the compose thing? I think so. There's two scenarios. Scenario 1, the easiest way. Okay, this comes with the Docker CLI. Yeah, let's just do scenario 1. Download the Docker Desktop. Yo, Nightingale of something just joined. Alright, we'll wait for that. 53 seconds. While that's doing that, I guess we can install these pip requirements. So we'll open up a VS Code. with what was it called? XAgent here. And we'll create a conda environment conda create -- name XAgent. I think that defaults to a good version of Python anyway, so let that go. Docker is almost done installing. We have Codium installed. And continue. I might disable these code extensions I have for now. Which one's this? Codium, continue, PowerShell. Git lens I also don't think I use much. What's testing? I think that's default. PowerShell, Command Explorer. What? No. Okay, and we have conda installed, so we can now go conda activate XAgent. Now we can check what Python version we're running with Python V. Oh no, it's actually Python -capital V 3.10. That's good because they say run at least 3.10. So let's install these requirements. Arnold said, so you're just testing out this new AI or you're using it for a project? Yeah, both. So initially I'm just going to test it out because I haven't tried it before. And then eventually I want to make a new project where people can use these kind of tools without having to install them. So I'm going to set up like a web app with a web server like that can spin up kind of VMs and Docker containers that run these apps. Thanks for the question. Could not install due to a OS error. Okay, yes, we get this occasionally because we need to be in as admin. So I'm gonna just use Commander here and run PowerShell as admin and just do it here. Okay, no, we're good. What the hell happened here? Okay, no, we're good. Whoa, wait, did it? I don't think it activated. Command not found, conda. What? Alright, we might just try VS Code in an admin terminal. Yo, Civics Ploits, can you link the GitHub for XAgent? Sure. You're on YouTube, I'll link it there. It's just openbmb/XAgent. I just linked it on YouTube. But yeah, if anyone else wants to see it, I'll just zoom in on it here. GitHub/openbmb/XAgent. Yo, Blizzard, what's up? Good to see you. Hello, Draculus. Why Draculus? I need to put this as a shortcut here. And then I can be like open file location, right? Yes, okay, good. Run as admin. Okay. Okay, cool. Pip install our requirements. This time it should work. We're in Europe? No, I'm in Australia. Well, yeah, you guys, I guess it is kind of in like past midnight in Europe, isn't it? What's the time? Well, Europe's pretty big too. I guess it kind of depends what side of Europe you're on as well. Okay. And then we run it, but before that we need to install Docker. So here we go, Docker desktop installation. You're on UK time, sick. Big ups to UK mandem. Just installing Docker. Use WSL2 instead of Hyper-V. I don't know what that is, but sure. Canary Islands. Man's avoiding tax. Now, I don't really know enough about Docker's containers and hosting them to get this to work properly, so there's probably a lot of things I'll run into. There's probably a good reason why no one else is doing this, but we're gonna figure that out when we get to that. First, we'll just run, what do we call it? XAgent locally, and that should work fine. Canary Islands belong to Spain. Oh, is that true? Do they speak Spanish there? I don't really know too much about Canary Islands. Let's Google it. Sí. Oh. Hablan español. That's pretty cool. Damn. I didn't know this is where they were. I guess it is kind of close to Spain. Yeah, tropical. Must be nice. Can we, street view? Oh, I have to restart Windows to install Docker? Oh man. That means the stream's gonna be cut. Oh. Guys, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to restart Docker. I mean, restart my computer. So if anyone has a burning question, please say it now. Otherwise, in the next 30 seconds, I will be restarting my computer. And the stream will probably cut out, but I'll pick it back up once I restart. Okay, looks like no one's got questions. I'll see you guys in 30 seconds. Bye-bye.